In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a database in Notion. Whether you're organizing tasks, tracking projects, or managing notes, creating a database is quick and easy. Let's get started. The first way is to create a database from scratch. Open Notion, create a new page, click Empty Page, then type Table and choose either a full page or inline table database. Give your database a name and start adding the properties you need, such as status, date, tags, or priority. The second way is to use a template. Create a new page, open the templates gallery, and search for a database template that matches your needs. Choose a template, click Use this template, and it will be added to your workspace. You can customize the properties, views, and layout at any time. You can also create other database views such as board, list, calendar, gallery, or timeline by typing the appropriate / command or selecting the view you want when creating the database. Once your database is ready, click New to add your first entry. Fill in the properties, then continue adding more items as your database grows. You can edit properties, create new views, sort, filter, and organize your data whenever you need. That's how to create a database in Notion. Thanks for watching.